So I am reviewing this electric hair styler. It has all the attachments with it. So we're gonna try this out and see how this goes. The first attachment I'm gonna start with is the hair dryer. So if it's lit up blue, that means it's like on a cool setting. That's the low speed, high speed, that's warm, and then hot. So the next attachment is the brush. So again, I'm gonna turn it on, put it on hot. I'm actually gonna kind of style my hair with the brush by rolling it away from my face. And so it's drying as it's brushing and styling, which I love. It glides through my hair really easily, so it's not getting caught or tangled in it. Okay, so I just did one curl with it to see how it goes, and it is so easy, and look at that curl. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Make sure it's on the hot setting. Take a piece of hair. So this is a straight piece of hair. I'm gonna let it wrap onto the hair. And it's gonna wrap itself. So I'm gonna hold that for about 10 seconds. And then I'm gonna hit the cool shot and pull it out. It looks so good. And I love how I feel like I'm not damaging my hair. And again, my hair is a little bit wet still. I feel like as it dries it and as it curls it, it's gonna hold the curl even longer. Look at that curl. Okay, I'm gonna do my whole head and then we'll do an after. I'm gonna get the shot of this side. So this is before. And also for this side of my head, I'm switching to this barrel so that it curls this way. And this one is for this side because I want it to curl away from my face. So I'm just gonna switch onto that barrel and then come back when I am done curling this side. Okay, so this is my hair after. Highly recommend this product. It works great. I have great curls, great bounce, volume. My hair's soft. Again, love this product.